This is how I'm towing a bike with another bike. All I'm doing is using the Orbea bag, and I wrap the fork with the towel so it doesn't put a hole in my Orbeas, and then I placed it in there. I took the wheel off, and then I put 2 bungees on the handlebar right there holding it, and that's it, you know. And then I start pulling it, and it turns, and it works really, really good, and it's basically free, and it frees up my hand. This doesn't look too bad for towing it temporarily, or as a bicycle flip business or something like that, or if your bike's at the repair shop and you need to go pick it up, or your kid's tired of bicycling or something like that. There you go.